Friends, today I'm going to show that how to change camera on Omegle. Friends, to change camera on Omegle, first you have to go to your browser, my friends. You have to go to your internet browser. After going on internet browser, you have to write here omegle.com. After writing omegle.com, just you have to press enter. Then my friends, directly will come the omegle.com website. Then you have to scroll down and have to click on video beside of text. Just click on here. And you have to give the check mark here, my friends, both of these. After giving the check mark here, you have to click on confirm and continue. So click on here, my friends. And see, the Omegle is going to open, right? And you will see at the top, there is the camera sign. So click on the camera sign at the top, right corner. After click on camera sign, my friends, you'll find here the microphone and the camera. If you try to open from here, the camera, or if you want try to change the camera from here, you can't, right? So friends, for this you have to go on manage. After going on manage, then my friends, you have to go on camera from here. So click on camera. After that, you have to select your camera, my friends. If you set up lots of camera here, then you can select which camera you want. You can select that camera, my friends, from here, because you'll find the list of camera here, my friends. So friends, like this easily, if you want, you can change camera on Omegle. Friends, to change camera on Omegle, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answers as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment, and especially subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.